Let's take a look at this iPhone 16 Pro. The internal waterproof indicators have all turned red. It's obvious that it has water damage. There are corrosion marks all over the camera area. When this phone arrived, it wouldn't turn on. After repairing the motherboard, the phone powered on normally, but we saw a message, Face ID is unavailable. When trying to enroll Face ID, it's grayed out. Aren't iPhones waterproof? The iPhone 16 Pro was just released not long ago, so why did it get water damaged? iPhones are not waterproof, not waterproof, not waterproof. Important things need to be said 3 times. Look closely here, it's already badly corroded. Fortunately, the rear camera is completely fine. Now we remove the front camera and Face ID components. We also discovered something else. Whenever an iPhone 16 Pro has water damage, the area around the dynamic island turns blue. So next time we see that, we'll know it got wet. Let's look at the front Face ID module. One is the front camera, another is the infrared camera, and the last is the dot projector. We placed the module on the testing device to test the dot projector. We see a warning, fuse blown, the light is abnormal. This means that once the iPhone 16 Pro gets wet, the dot projector is very likely to fail. We upload the data from the old projector to the server. Now we disassemble the 3 components. The flex cables are glued and fixed, so we first separate the cables. Why did we say this is a common iPhone 16 Pro issue? Because recently we've seen way too many of these cases. Quick question, what phone do you use and what's wrong with it? After detaching all the flex cables, we notice a metal plate on the back. We use a grinding tool to remove all the solder points on that plate. Protect the flex cables. After grinding is done, we heat and remove the metal plate on the back. Because it's glued on, then we heat again to separate the dot projector and infrared camera. Once separated, we see 2 solder joints here. We separate those to detach the infrared and dot projector caps. Now we can see the infrared and dot projector components. Add a bit of flux, remove the damaged dot projector chip. Let's clean up the solder pad. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost. Favorite the video and follow. Such people are so cute. One thing to note, the light sensor and proximity sensor are now placed inside this part. Previously, they were on the screen flex cable. The large chip is the infrared processor. After cleanup, we install a replacement chip. Once aligned, if it bounces back when touched, that means installation is complete. Clean it up. Don't install the cap just yet. Test it first on the machine. Okay, test result, normal. Now write the saved server data into the new chip. Align the cap and solder the 2 joints. Looks simple, but it really tests the technician's hand skills. Misalignment or bad contact can affect Face ID. Apply glue around the edges and cure it. Finally, reinstall the backplate. Fold the flex cable back to its original position. Reassemble the phone and power it on. Plug it and Apple logo appears. The phone enters the home screen. Repair successful.